we have Japsimran Kaur. So I would request her to. She has started sharing her screen now. So over to Japsimran.
Very good evening to everybody present. Lieutenant General Kulkarni, Mr. Naveen Dixit, and all other dignitaries from our Mayur School fraternity. It might take away a minute, but I would still wish to present my hearty happiness to be a part of this virtual gathering. In this time of pandemic, it is very correct to state that learning has rebooted itself, and an uncertain campus academic year lurks around for the complete session. Since the last week of March, we have been using one or the other platform to conduct online classes. At MSS, we use Zoom. Now, being a science teacher, if I have to talk about conducting my classes, I try to reach out to the students in a lab at home kind of an experience. A little trigger for the students to run to the kitchen, fetch a potato, and observe it turning the water milky over the course of lecture does not only evoke their senses but also garners their interest. Quoting an example, being present in the rural background did provide us a lot of advantage when we had to teach agricultural implements. A lot of our scholars stay at their farmhouses and they shared their agricultural implements and the practices at first hand from the fields. It is a great example that not all field visits have to be at the field. As a chemistry teacher, I have to deal with a lot of chemical equations also. Using the annotation feature in the Zoom, the students were able to scribble and carry out a balance-a-thon at the Zoom app. Now, moving to the social science, a unique practice which was carried out for teaching geography apart from the live and interactive classes which are there at MSS, Cetera application became a lot more handy. You can see one of the portals shown over here. You are taught to click and identify the different geographical regions. One of the clipping is shown over here. Now, we all are aware that online classes have their own charm as well as they add a stress to the children also. So to ease that stress out, we had carefully curated activity classes. Talking about music, vocal was laid much more importance. Classical rags, bhajans and mantras were taught to the students along with a fusion band performance happening over that platform. Now, one of the shining things that occurred in this over the music was collaboration with iconic school Bhopal on Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti, where the students presented and shared Ravindra Sangeet over the platform. Now, the children are definitely happy having all these activity classes. One of the other creative ventures which the students invested their time in was art and craft, apart from the dance and PE lessons. Now, in art and craft, one of the initial activities we started with was the easy and input available things. You can see very clearly the students were showcasing the 3D lettering with clear and easy inputs available at. Now, art is very one-on-one kind of an experience, but with a little curation of all the things, it was possible to conduct engaging classes over the Zoom platform. Now, another thing, the students are not always very good in drawing. So these are some of the cartoon characters which they drew with numbers and simple curves which made them express their feelings and cartoon characters. Now, having a talk about languages, teachers did carry out their listening and activities along with describing pictures, unscrambling, spotting the differences, comparison and relating. Putting one image over here, a single image can engage the classroom very effectively, pen down their thoughts to share their thoughts. Now, talking about lesson teaching, the method utilized was slip teaching, where the students were required to read the lesson and in-depth questioning was done to understand the lesson better. Now, poetry was done in a recorded manner where the students and teachers recorded their poetry in a very interactive way, and critical appreciation for all the things in the poem was done via discussions. Now it was all very live and interactive. Moving on, I am the second last presenter. I am hoping all of your senses are still intact. So anybody from the panelists or from the attendees would like to attempt this unscrambling right now? I can see your responses. Okay, thank you. I'm getting the responses. So yes, the 6-letter word which is represented over here is father. Now, there's another unscrambling one also over here. Now, moving into the hierarchy to the to the youngest lot in our school, talking about the toddlers, even to teach them the small concepts of addition, etc., was very challenging. But we focused on using the tools which are present in their surroundings. So, utilizing the small effects such as yes. So utilizing the resources which are present around them, such as Uno cards, playing cards, did give us a great mileage in teaching them addition, ascending, descending, and so on. Rolling a dice and doing the number game and carrying out all the storytelling activities were also a part. Now, talking about mathematics, introduction of cute clipards and jiffies, as one of us is shown over here, was a great feature. Now, the annotation and the scribbling feature did play a very important role in solving the sums, where the students were kept at their feet solving the questions. Now, another feature which was used by mathematics department was iMarkup app, where the assessments were checked, assignments were thoroughly given a view, and they were sent back to the students in an interactive way. Now, as teachers, we tend to take assessments in a little important way. Now, this pandemic has forced us traditional practices. So at MSS, we did stick to Google Forms in the form of MCQ, short answers and long answers as the major tool, along with iMarkup and some collaborative activities. Now, students collaborate with each other in a much interactive way than we do to each other. So they are much more faster in preparing the presentations, the boardrooms which are given as per their classes, and the number of involvement. Now, since pen and paper had to be dropped at one point, so yes, we did engage in the Viva voice questioning. In few classes, we did realize that the student practice material already present with the students did serve a great importance with guided practice and self-assessment. Now, some of the other activities we did before closing was the Gratitude Day celebrations and virtual summer lockdown party. So you can see the children were engaged. Now, with this, I conclude myself, and I'm looking forward to further chances where we can share more practices in detail and keep on learning from each other.
Thank you, Japsimran. That was really very informative. A lot of improvisations done. Thank you very much for sharing the best practices. Now, I would request you to kindly mute your audio and listen to the video so that I can call Mr. Vikram Solanki